custom speaker pods. Check these bad bitches out right here. Ooh, hey, those are nice. Look at that brushed titanium look. Now this is a bolt-on solution for custom door pods. This is the double 6.5 double tweeter having mamma jamma. Let's take a look at the hypothetical placement. Now, hypothetically speaking, this would go right here. Wow, that's actually pretty I like them. Now what you would do is stick these here, mark some holes, hack out your OEM door panel, and then screw these on. That's pretty bitchin'. Thank you, Custom Speaker Pods. These are available at customspeakerpods.com. Would you look at that? What is this? Oh, look, they sent me some tweeter pods that I just built. Oh, those would have been swell. Damn, those fit right in there. Damn. Now I gotta do 2 hybrid 3 inches, 2 6.5s, 2 tweeters. Custom speaker pods. Go to customspeakerpods.com for vehicle-specific speaker pods for your door panels and A-pillars, available loaded or unloaded. Use coupon code SOUNDMAN for up to 10% off at customspeakerpods.com.